The staff at Fairy Tales Childcare in Meriden say that they want to work. They want to do their part to make sure healthcare workers have access to critical childcare. They had to shut down their own daycare, and they've been forced to make some tough financial choices.
Hi, I'm Colleen Murphy with Fairy Tales Childcare and Development Center. Come on in.
But the sounds of children laughing and playing have been replaced by silence and empty rooms. COVID-19 hit hard and fast. The 80-enrolled families of Fairy Tales Childcare in Meriden dropped to just 4.
We ultimately made the choice to temporarily close.
Reality hit when Colleen looked at the books.
At this point, we're looking at carrying our employees for 2 weeks. And then essentially after that, they're probably going to have to get furloughed.
For Colleen, her employees are her family.
The connection and the support and the bonds that we have. I mean, a lot of my staff have worked for me anywhere between 5 and 15 years. That's unheard of in this industry.
And the kids she cares for are like family too. They call that little girl the mayor of Fairy Tales, visiting her now closed school.
Instantly, it put me in tears.
For Fairy Tales, payroll, rent, and utilities are more than $70,000 a month. When she saw Fox 61's story on Project 26 daycares providing childcare for healthcare workers near the state's 26 hospitals, she raised her hand to help.
Let's just say Project 26, there's a demand for this. And you have a staff that's willing, able, and ready to work, right?
They just want to be a part of being able to do something. You know, I know one of my employees went the other day to go donate blood. And, you know, a couple of my employees had said, hey, you know, if you become part of this Project 26, call me.
But instead, she was the one who got a phone call from Commissioner Beth Bai from the Office of Early Childhood, who put her on the list.
Matt, I can't explain to you. I thank you so much for reaching out to her and giving her, you know, our phone number. She called me that night within like 45 minutes of you and I. So it was great. It was just really helpful to talk to, you know, the head of what we do.
And if you need childcare, there's a couple of numbers that you can dial. If you're a healthcare worker, you can dial this number on your screen. And for anybody else, you can dial 211. And if you are a small business struggling to survive with what's going on, there's a 0% loan that's available to you for 18 months where you can borrow up to $75,000 as long as you have under 100 employees. You should check that out as well. For the Fox 61 News, I'm Matt Karen.